Hey friends, so I wanted to show you what I was able to get done this month with my Counterfeit Kit Challenge kit. Now you might remember that it was mostly based on like a snow and, well, my inspiration was snow and cocoa because I had a few papers from there and then I just built it out from there. I am sorry, I've got some rub-ons that are trying to be in the frame. Anywho, let me show you what I made and then I will show you what is left. All right, this one right here was for our first challenge at Counterfeit Kit Challenge, and I really liked it. I thought it was a lot of fun. I loved my little coffee cups that, oops, and this, look at this came off. I am glad I am hanging out with you so I can put it back on. How is it that things seem to be so incredibly attached and then you go back and look at them and it's, yeah, then they're not. Okay, putting this back on. Jeez. Okay, so this is my first one. There is a process video. Here's my next one, also a process video, and this one was concentrating on the fairy twinkly lights. Process video is on the channel for this one. Next, this one I did for a weather challenge that was on an online crop, and I used a sketch to do it as well. There's a process video for it, and I think it is so fun. My pups out in the snow. So, liked that. Like everything has, I think all of these layouts do have process videos. So this was for it was called a second draft challenge, and I also did it for my scrap 5 layout, which is already uploaded. So fun video for that. Let me just remove that. So cute. I've got my little cute woodland creature on there. It's very, very fun and cute. All old stash was used. And this is the last one that I did. I had just done this one recently using a white base, which I have been doing a little bit more recently just based on challenges and the product that I had on hand because I want to use things. But I do like that, how it turned out. It's not really my typical style, so I did think it was lots of fun. All right, so those are the layouts that I did. And I didn't want to spend too much time talking about the layouts since I've already done that at length. Now let's see, let's start with the pattern paper that I've left, and I'll tell you if I'm going to do anything with it and all that kind of stuff. All right, so these, whoops, it went flying by. This is the pattern paper that I have left. There's something, oh, there's a little pearly bead under there. Okay, so this is, oh, it's just a cut apart, a little cute set of Christmas trees. Cut apart here with some nice usable pieces still. And this is a snow and cocoa paper. I can tell it's a little sturdier. These are just super flimsy. These little aqua ones. This has a little bit more weight to it. I think this was from crepe paper in a pattern paper pad. Let's see. Super flimsy again, super flimsy. And just a tiny piece there, and that is more of that cut apart sheet. So I'm going to keep this, and I'll put this in with some of my Christmas stuff because I do have to make some kind of cards coming up. I'll keep these little pieces as well because they're usable beyond snow or Christmas stuff. And unfortunately, these few little bits are going to go hang out in my recycling bin. So that is processed. Next, I did have on this piece of wax paper, I had a few pieces, never used my little Chamel pieces, and then I had a couple other pieces, but I did use everything else that was on here. They were totally random bits and pieces from old products, but we'll keep it, we'll hold on to it. I might separate them out and put these all in the blue bin, those in the pink bin though, in my color drawers. What else? All right, this was a new set of puffy stickers when I opened it. So I used some and not all. So what I think I might do, I might leave this together just while I make a few cards. So I'm going to do that for now. That way I won't have to hunt too much. All right. Now this was full of bits and pieces that matched the colors in my kit, and I used so many. I was really excited about it, and we are just about ready to go into December and the snow scenes and all that kind of stuff. So I think I'm going to keep this with that little pile I have over there and see if I can use up the ones like Sweater Weather Forever, you know, that's kind of specific. So I think I'm going to try that. I did use a bunch of my, they're called glitter enamel dots, but I go with more calling them shapes. I used a ton of those, but I'm going to put those back with my enamel dot bin. That's already put back because it's right next to my desk. I only used 2 words on here, and it was Shay both times. I'll put those back with my flat stickers. All right. Same with this. I used it a little bit. Not much, but a little bit. But considering it's been sitting around for the better part of 10 years, I did start to use it, and I like that. So I have that. Now this set right here, I used a nice amount of these, and I even had to cut the second set open for just one little letter. So I will go ahead and put that back in my silver metallic section of my thickers. So that is great. I put those away. Enamel dots. I had pulled a lot more than I ended up using out of my enamel dots. So I like to clean as I go if you wonder what in the heck I'm doing. Okay. I did use this time some of the silver ones because I thought it went well with the holographic. I used 3 of these black shapes. 3 of these, they're kind of like a satin black giant enamel dot. No idea where those came from. A few of the pink hearts on this one. And I don't think I used, I might have used some of the white ones on this one. So I do have some enamels to put away. I don't believe, nope, never even touched this. These snowflakes, never even touched them. So those might go well in with some cards. And then finally, I did not use any of this cut file right here. So that will go back in with my cut files. And that is it. Otherwise, I don't have any full sheets of paper left. I think I did really well. And part of the reason why I think I did really well this month is that I was involved in so many challenges. And when I'm scrapbooking for challenges and all that kind of thing, I go to just the kits that I have prepared. And I think I keep roughly about 3 kits at a time prepared. So I find a way to make it work. So that's how it went this month. I hope you like what I came up with. And I will see you guys soon. I think Counterfeit Kit Challenge is taking a kit break for December, but there's a little bit of fun activity planned, but I just won't have a full kit for December. All right, we'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.